Jane, hurry up. Mom and Dad are waiting.
I'm coming. I'm just trying to get this dress to fit. It fit a couple weeks ago. I don't understand why it's not fitting today. No.
We'll make it fit.
How am I supposed to make it fit?
Just pull it.
God. What am I going to wear now?
Just get something else to wear.
A few moments later.
Tama, do you know? What are you doing?
Just having a snack. Oh, what's wrong with you?
The matter is that I've discovered why your clothes don't fit.
Why?
You've been eating lots of junk food.
Yes, but they taste nice.
Even if they do, junk food has a lot of calories. You have to start eating healthy so you don't share the same clothes with Santa Claus.
What do you mean by Santa Claus? I don't take the same food as Santa Claus.
Well, you will if you keep on eating this food.
That's a lie. It's a big lie.
But seriously, you have to start eating healthy.
Yeah, you're right. I really want my clothes to fit.
Oh, and do you know that Chinese test that we had in school today? How was yours?
I failed. Very, very badly.
To help your children unshrink their clothes with healthy meals or maintain a healthy body weight, you and your children will have to eat healthy meals. Children, just like adults, need to take 5 or more portions of fruits and vegetables. This is because fruit and vegetables are rich in fibers, vitamins, and minerals, and they also contain phytonutrients that is good for the body. Also, you may need to change the portion sizes of your children. Avoid feeding your children oversized portion because the more calories your children take, the more they put on weight. There are 2 simple explanations to the rise in childhood obesity: too much calories and too little of physical activities. Children become overweight because of larger portion sizes, extra calories from sodas and fruit juice. Children spending significant amounts of time playing computer games and watching TV, frequently eating of fast foods and processed foods, spending less time in physical activities. Children who are overweight are vulnerable to health problems, including type 2 diabetes, sleeping disorder, and mental health issues such as depression. Encourage your children to get active. Overweight children don't need to do more exercise than slimmer children. The extra body weight means they will naturally burn more calories for the same exercise. Exercise is good for the health of your children. It keeps their heart happy, fit, and strong. Be a positive role model to your children. Children learn by example. Encourage your children to eat right and engage in physical activities by doing so yourself, and they will follow in the same manner. Any change you make to your child's diet and lifestyle are more likely to be accepted if the changes are small and if the changes involves the whole family. Remember, healthy kids learn better. If you find this video useful, Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and share with families and friends. Also do well to click on the notification button so you'll be the first to know whenever I post new content, and also leave a comment on the comment section. Thank you.